Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this one we will be checking out this amazing Django based chatbot. Right, so I have it open on two different browsers. This is the one which is open on Edge, and I have another interface open on Chrome. Right, so I will be creating a profile quickly over here, then I will be creating a profile on Edge, and then we will see how the communication, two-way communication happens on this chatbot. So let's not waste time and straight away dive into the functionality of this Django based application. So let me quickly create a profile here first on this incognito modes Django applications portal. So here I'm going to create a profile with this name. Okay, and let me just enter our name, and then email ID is going to be this. Okay, and then password, a random password I have to type here. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Let me just keep it in small, and let's sign up. So I've created a profile successfully with name Daksh. Okay, and here I'm going to just save the details. So Daksh is the user ID, and the password that I entered was 123. Okay, so we have a profile created over here. Then let me come on Edge and quickly create a profile over here too. So I'm going to create a profile with the name Mitakshi and M of Mitakshi. Let me keep it small for now. Okay, and here I'm going to make it again. Okay, and password is going to be Dakshi123. Great. So yes, I've created two different profiles. Okay, and the first one is with name Daksh, and the other one is with name Mitakshi, and the password is this. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so we have these two profiles over here. Now let me just okay, if you'll refresh, it will again come on the same page. Fine. Let's come on menu and let's go with this search option. So I would like to talk to Daksh. Okay, so I can see Daksh over here. Similarly, on the panel where I've created the profile for Daksh, let me search for Mitakshi. Okay, I have it over here. Let me click this. Okay, right now it's completely blank, as you can see. Right, and over here too I have to open the panel of Daksh. Okay, hi Daksh, how are you? Okay, so this is the panel of Mitakshi, and she has sent a message to Daksh. Now we have to check whether Daksh has received this message or not. So let's come on this panel, and yes, Daksh has received it. So let me just reply on behalf of Daksh. Hi Mitakshi, I am doing great. How about you? Okay, let's see whether Mitakshi has received this message or not. So yes, Mitakshi has received the message sent by Daksh. I am also doing fine. Let me know when you are done with your holiday homework. Help on that. Okay, let's send it to Daksh and see whether he will receive a message which has lots of word in it or not. So yes, he has received the message, and that's how this application helps in setting up a two-way communication link between the users. Right, now if suppose the Mitakshi wants to talk to some other guy, right, he can again search for that particular person. Let's say you want to talk to Gaurav. So you can add that too over here. And let me just, okay, likewise, if suppose Daksh also wants to talk to some other person, let's say he wants to talk to Akshay. So you can simply add him over here like this, and then if he clicks on this, he gets the window where he can communicate with Akshay. Okay, so what is happening basically is we are providing separate rooms for, having separate rooms for separate people, you can say, right? So for Akshay, we have a different room. For Daksh, we have a different room for Mitakshi. Similarly, over here, if I'll come for Mitakshi, we have provided a different room, and for Gaurav, we have provided a different room to Daksh. Okay, so this is how the application works. Now, what all things have we used in this application? That's what I'm going to show you. What all things, this application has in its backend. So let me quickly show that to you. Over here, we have this chat named application, and here if you see we have used serializers. Okay, so that's what is getting used over here for pulling up the real-time messages, and then it is showing it to the actual sender and receiver window. Okay, so if you see here we have a different color for the sender and a different color for the receiver. Okay, so that's how this application works, and basically it's the serializers which is doing the whole magic, and rest everything is very basic. If you know about Django, you'll be able to understand this application in no time, right? So this is it from my side in this lecture. Please let me know if you like it in the comment box, and also in case you want to develop such beautiful applications on your own and you want my help in that, I will be happy to help you out. Right. So leave your feedback in the comment box. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment box. I'll be happy to know them. And in case you want something else from me, or you want some help from me, definitely I'm there to help you guys out. Feel free to take my coding classes, and I can assure you that you're going to take away lots from the coding classes which I provide, right? Besides that, if you are a web application developer, or you are into development and you want help in your projects, so you can contact me for that too, right? My WhatsApp number is there on your windows if you see. Okay, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Just drop your queries over there, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you very much for being there with me in this tutorial. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.